We know that AND gate perform simple logical multiplication. The truth beyond the AND gate is when all the inputs are high, the output is high. Otherwise, the output is 0. This is the truth. To obey this truth, there is a circuit inside of the AND gate. What is that circuit? Let us discuss the circuit inside of AND gate. Before discussion of that circuit, let us analyze a simple diode. The diode consists of cathode and anode. The diode subjected to forward bias and reverse bias. What do you mean by forward bias? Same polarity. When cathode is given to negative voltage and anode is given to positive voltage, this is known as forward bias, same polarity. When the diode becomes forward bias, it starts conducting, generating current. Now, change the polarity. Cathode is positive, anode is negative. Now, this diode is in reverse bias mode. Under reverse bias mode, the diode is disabled condition. No current generation. This is the action of diode. This diode is used for construction of AND gate. The circuit inside of the AND gate may be this one. This circuit consists of two diodes, namely D1 and D2. The anodes of both diodes D1 and D2 are interconnected. This interconnection is given to plus VCC through the resistor capital R. The common anode point is represented as capital X. The floating point connected to ground is capital Y. Across the point capital X and capital Y, we measure output of this AND gate. The cathodes of each diode D1 and D2 act as separate input capital A and capital B. This is construction details of two input AND gate using diode and resistor. Now let us see how this circuit behave as AND gate. To analyze this operation, let us take the first row of truth table, that is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. The output is again 0. 0 means you give negative voltage. Positive means you give 1. For first row, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, connect negative voltage here, and B is also equal to negative voltage. The negative voltage and cathode terminal both are forward bias. Here also negative terminal, the negative voltage and cathode of this diode D2 both are same terminal. Therefore, both diodes D1, D2 became forward bias. So, under the condition A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, applying both the inputs are negative voltage, both diodes became forward bias. Already I told that when the diode became forward bias, it generates current. So, when both diode became forward bias, generate current in the circuit. This current is dropped across capital R as a voltage drop. Because of this voltage drop, the applied voltage cannot enter the point capital X. When you measure voltage between capital X and capital Y, the output shows 0 volt. That is 0, 0, the output is equal to 0. Second case, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. A is 0 means this is negative voltage, B is the positive voltage. 1 means positive voltage. So for diode D2, positive cathode, it is opposite. So D2 is now under reverse bias. This is in forward bias. But because of the diode D1, due to forward bias, it generates current. Again, that current is dropped across capital as voltage drop. Because of the voltage drop, this voltage cannot enter the point capital X. Again, the output between capital X and the capital Y is equal to 0. The third case, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, which means that connect positive voltage at the point capital A, negative voltage at the point capital B. So under this condition, the lower diode D2 is forward bias, the upper diode D1 is reverse bias because positive, negative, reverse bias. This is disabled, this one is enabled. Because of this enabled D2, again it generates current, that current again dropped in the capital R as a voltage drop. Because of this voltage drop, the voltage plus VCC cannot enter the point X. So again the voltage between the point X and Y is equal to 0. The last case, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, which means apply positive voltage at the point capital A, positive voltage at the point capital B. Opposite here, positive negative cathode, positive cathode. So under this condition, both diodes are under reverse bias mode. Reverse bias means both are disabled. So no current generation in the circuit, no drop across capital R. The applied plus VCC voltage easily passes through the resistor and exists at the point capital X. When you measure voltage between capital X and capital Y, you get high voltage. That is logic 1 that shows the last row of the truth table. Therefore, this circuit operation obeys this truth table. Therefore, the circuit within the AND gate is definitely this circuit.